Baniyas is a city in Tartous Governorate, northwestern Syria, located 55 kilometers south of Latakia and 35 kilometers north of Tartous. It is famous for its citrus fruit orchards and its export of wood. North of the city is an oil refinery, one of the largest in Syria, and a power station. On a nearby hill stands the Crusader castle of Margat, a huge knight's hospital, a fortress built with black basalt stone. History. In Phoenician times, it was an important seaport. Some have identified it with the Hellenistic city of Lucas mentioned by Stephanus Byzantius. It was a colony of Aradus, and was placed by Stephanus Byzantius in the late Roman province of Phoenicia, though it belonged rather to the province of Syria. In Greek and Latin, it is known as Balania or Balania. Bishopric. The bishopric of Balania was a suffragan of Apamea, the capital of the Roman province of Syria Secunda, as is attested in a 6th-century Notitia Episcopatuum. When Justinian established a new civil province, Theodorius, with Laodicea as metropolis, Balania was incorporated into it, but continued to depend ecclesiastically on Apamea, till it obtained the status of an exempt bishopric directly subject to the Patriarch of Antioch. Its first known bishop, Euphrates, took part in the Council of Nicaea in 325 and was exiled by the Arians in 335. Later Timotheus was at both the Robber Council of Ephesus in 449 and the Council of Chalcedon in 451. In 536, Theodorus was one of the signatories of a letter to the Emperor Justinian against Severus of Antioch and other non-Chalcedonians. Stephanus participated in the Second Council of Constantinople in 553. In the Crusades period, Balania became a Latin Rite see, called Valenia in the west. It was situated within the Principality of Antioch and was subject to the Latin Rite Metropolitan See of Apamea, whose archbishop intervened in the nomination of bishops of the suffragan see in 1198 and 1215. For reasons of security, the bishop lived in Margat Castle. No longer a residential bishopric, Balania is today listed by the Catholic Church as a titular see.